In this video, I'm going to teach you how you'll be able to package your product like this without using a heat gun or heat. I will also take and tell you some of the benefits of rice on the skin. Okay, so now we'll start. You have a product, you want to package it, and suddenly NEPA takes light, or you don't have light, or something happens. This is the easiest way I package my product when there is no light. I have a heat gun, but it's not every time I'll be able to on the gen to use it when there is no light, because we have a lot of light issues in our area. So the easiest thing is to just hold it above a hot flame, a blue flame, as you can see here. Don't use that yellowish one. If not, it will leave soot or smoke on your product. A light blue flame that is hot, you hold it above it. You don't hold it for long, just hover it over it, press, turn the next side, press, as you can see it as I'm doing, and before you know it, you've packaged your products, and it will be very clean and very neat, as if you used heat gun. You can see it, all the edges, everything clean and clear. Okay, but for this, you can see my label is inside. For this method, it's better if it's inside, and the best plastic to use is shrink wrap. Now, rice is a staple food in most parts of the world, and especially Nigeria. But what we don't know is that this thing we call rice, our most loved food, is very good in and out of the skin. Yes, especially for the face. In short, what is good for the face will be good for the whole body. Not only is it anti-inflammatory, rice on its own has natural lightening properties. Rice is one of the products that is also used, one of the raw materials that's also used in making kojic acid. Okay, so that's why it's a good idea to combine your rice with kojic acid if you want to make a soap that is not only protective but could also lighten the skin and do it mildly without any side effects or sunburns or anything. As you can see, I'm so loving myself right now. Okay, so well, in case you do not know, rice is used in most Asian countries to protect women's women's skin, women's faces against sunburn or skin darkening of the face. Okay, against darkening. That's why if you look at a lot of old Chinese portraits, old Chinese pictures, you will see the woman's face look very white. Or if you look at old cartoons, or you look at some cartoons, you see the woman's face look very white. Or if you look at some pictures of women in rural areas, especially farming villages, maybe in rice paddies farming, you see their faces very white, or maybe on the inside the boat fishing, their face very white. That's because they make a paste with rice and then rub on their face, just the rice itself. And that alone will stop the face from darkening and prevent against sunburn. Now, this is our own famous and beautiful rice and kojic acid soap. I didn't buy this from anybody. I made it myself, and believe me, it's good. It will lighten you gradually. If you know you want to brighten your face without using harsh chemicals, you are not interested in bleaching, you want to glow, you want to look beautiful, you need this. I made it myself.